last week I started getting those eggy burps, and I mean really eggy. And as I said, I thought it was like food poisoning. So I did my normal thing, which is Actimel yogurt thingies. Yakult is another brand. So I'll drink a couple of those whenever I get to an upset stomach. It certainly helped. It certainly helped reset. But I thought it was food poisoning, but it wasn't. And it wasn't that I was eliminating at high speed. It's just that your gut on this medication is being slowed down. Okay, that's the visual representation of slowing down, supposedly, Alan. So with